Tennessee has a long-standing commitment to ensuring that every child has access to strong post-secondary opportunities. One of the biggest ways we do that is through our ACT program. Our General Assembly year after year funds a retake opportunity so that students can show how much they've grown and expand access to post-secondary opportunities even more.
Our school was able to put on an ACT prep class that I took my sophomore year, so that allowed me to better see what the test was like and hear strategies from someone who had taken it before. And I also used a couple practice tests as I prepared for my ACTs, and they allowed me to better gauge what I needed to know in different math sections or grammar sections, what was more frequent, and it allowed me to see or better prepare myself for what the test would look like when I took it.
One advice I would give students who are currently planning to take the ACT is to understand the content that's being tested and get plenty of practice.
Throughout the pandemic, we've been very grateful for the partnership with UT Martin, who has really invested in our students to ensure that they get the support, the training, the preparation, and the individualized attention that many need to show that growth and progress.
I wanted to get my score up, which is everyone's goal. However, these ACT workshops have showed me tips, tricks, how to take the ACT, and how to actually do well in a timed condition.
Practice, practice, practice. I know we say it all the time, but honestly, the test, the ACT itself seems really daunting, but with practice, you really kind of figure out how the test works and what the ins and outs are, and it just makes it seem a whole lot less scary and a whole lot easier.
When I had to take this ACT for a second time, it was a great thing that I made a decision to take it for a second time because it helped me get a better score than what I did the first time, which actually helped me out greatly going forward. I currently go to the school of the University of Memphis, and I'm having a blast. I'm excited to go here because I'm becoming an art major, and I want to use that to be able to do concept art and be able to draw and animate for Disney and Pixar going into the future.
Here in the state of Tennessee, it's important that every child is able to achieve the dreams and goals they set for themselves. The ACT is a critical pathway for our students to be able to do that. Our investment has been clear and continued, and I am so proud of the amazing work that's happened across the state and thrilled to be able to be celebrating with you today.
Governor Bill Lee here. We're leading the nation in providing opportunity for every Tennessean. And your work to ensure every child has access to the ACT will further prepare students to succeed beyond the classroom. Congratulations, Department of Education, on this high honor. And thank you for your commitment to post-secondary success for every Tennessee student.